Introduction to Automating Reports.
Automating daily reports saves time and reduces errors. With Google Sheets and Make, formerly known as Integromat, you can set up a workflow to collect, generate, and send your reports automatically. This guide will walk you through connecting these tools so that your data is delivered where you need it, without manual effort.
What you need to get started.
Before you begin, make sure you have a free Google account and a Make account. You should have a spreadsheet in Google Sheets with the data you want to report. Decide who should receive the reports by email or another service. No advanced technical skills are needed. Just follow the step-by-step process.
Connecting Google Sheets to Make.
In Make, start by creating a new scenario. Choose Google Sheets as the first app and connect your Google account. Select the spreadsheet and worksheet you want to use. You can set your scenario to trigger when new rows are added, or on a set schedule for daily reporting.
Creating and formatting your report.
Next, add modules to process your data. You can summarize, filter, or format the information from your sheet as needed. Use Make's tools to adjust the layout, include calculations, or pick specific columns, so your report contains exactly what you want to share.
Sending the automated report.
Finally, add a module to deliver your report automatically. Make lets you send emails, post to Slack, or update files in Drive. Set up the action to include your processed data. Schedule your scenario to run daily, and Make will handle sending your report. No more manual work needed.
Tips and best practices.
Test your scenario before relying on it fully. Check that the report looks correct and reaches the right people. Review your scenario settings if you update your spreadsheet structure later. Starting with simple automation helps you learn. You can expand or customize reports as your needs grow.